Hi choice friends, welcome back to my channel again. I welcome you all. Thank you all for the support. In today's video we are going to be making KFC chicken with the pressure cooker. As you can see, I'm showing you how the chicken was well cooked without no blood inside. It was so tasty. So if it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe. So here is my bowl of chicken with my spices all laid down. I will list all the spices I use in this chicken. After adding all the spices, you want to go in with some water. Then you want to walk it through with your hand. You can wash your hand, you can use your barefoot hand, or you can put on your gloves like me. I don't want the spicy to go in my fingers, that's why I put on my glove for protection. So you want to mix all the spices and the chicken together, combine properly. After that is done, cling film it and put it on the refrigerator for 3 hours or 2 hours, depending on when you want to use it. You can even leave it for overnight, but for me I had it on for 3 hours. Here I'm done combining the chicken and the spices together. So the next step, we are going to go in with our flour and the other spices. So this is my powdered egg. I've just add my powdered egg and I'll go in with my plain flour, and after my plain flour I will add black pepper. Don't forget, we already marinate the chicken with a lot of spices and salt, so you want to mind what you are adding to your flour. So I just added only powdered egg, plain flour and pepper. So combine that together. After combining that together, then go in with your marinated chicken. So as you can see, I've just added my marinated chicken. Now I will mix together the chicken and the flour, combine together properly. So guys, after combining the chicken and the flour, you want to get a sieve and a big bowl of water. I'll tell you what to do with the water later. So I'm just taking out the chicken from the flour. So friends, here come the big bowl of water. So the chicken has been separated in two parts. So the first part is going to go into the water like so. Push all the chicken into the water while the chicken is on the sieve. So I'm trying to push in all the chicken inside the water. So after that, I'll bring it out from the water and mix it up by shaking it. So after that, you want to bring it out and let the water drop, and then put the chicken aside, and we do the same to the other one. So friends, after mixing the chicken, you want to filter the flour so that you don't get lots of lumps on the chicken. So as you can see, I'm trying to sieve the flour to get a neater flour to continue the braiding of the chicken. So here is the second part of the braiding of the chicken. We're going to pour the chicken into the same bowl and then pour the sifter flour inside the chicken. And braid really good. Braid, press the chicken into the flour. So after braiding the chicken, you want to put your pressure cooker in the fire and add some oil. Let it heat while we continue braiding the chicken. So friends, at this section we want to dust out the chicken from the flour. As you can see, I'm demonstrating. You see how braided the chicken is looking. So now we are dusting the chicken from the flour. We're going to do that until we are done with all the chicken. So friends, the oil is hot enough to go in with the chicken. So now go in with your chicken. Do not overcrowd the pot. So I'm going to add another batch. So friends, this is the important part. You want to go in with the cover of your pressure cooker, seal it up, cover it, and then I think the chicken was ready. I released the air from the chicken to enhance the pot to open, otherwise it's not going to open. So as you can see, I've opened the pot. My chicken is ready. Wow, you can see that. Please thumbs up this video if you have watched up to this section. Thumbs up the video and tell me what you think about this preparation of my KFC chicken prepared with pressure cooker. Share the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, like the video. Most of all, put on your notification bell for more video. As you can see, I've done all the chicken, breaded all the chicken and fried them. I'm showing you how it turns out. Looks so crispy and delicious. Look at how the chicken is so crispy and juicy. Was well prepared. There is no trace of blood inside. So thank you all for watching. I do appreciate